If you're over 50, you've probably heard many different health tips designed to keep you strong and healthy.
Chair squats are a game changer for seniors, offering a simple yet effective way to combat muscle loss and maintain independence. This functional exercise strengthens essential muscle groups, including the legs, glutes, and core, directly improving daily activities like standing, sitting, and lifting. Low impact yet powerful, chair squats help enhance balance, flexibility, and overall mobility, reducing the risk of falls and injury. They are accessible, requiring only a sturdy chair, and can be easily incorporated into a routine. For seniors, chair squats provide a practical approach to building strength, supporting an active lifestyle, and ensuring a higher quality of life. Incorporating chair squats into a fitness routine offers seniors a powerful way to boost strength, stability, and overall mobility. These exercises target key lower body muscles like the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, promoting better posture, easier movement, and fall prevention. Chair squats also enhance balance and coordination by activating core and leg muscles, a critical benefit for aging individuals. Additionally, they improve joint flexibility and support knee and hip health, reducing stiffness and discomfort. With regular practice, chair squats empower seniors to maintain independence, stay active, and enjoy a higher quality of life while minimizing the risk of injuries. Chair squats are an excellent, joint-friendly exercise that provides a challenging workout for seniors. They help increase bone density, a critical factor in preventing osteoporosis and maintaining skeletal health. As a weight-bearing exercise, chair squats stimulate bone growth, reducing the risk of fractures. This movement also engages the core muscles, promoting better posture, spinal alignment, and alleviating common back pain issues. Additionally, when performed at higher repetitions, chair squats provide mild cardiovascular benefits, enhancing heart health and circulation. To perform chair squats safely, begin with a sturdy chair placed on a flat surface. Stand in front of the chair with feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your chest upright and back straight. Slowly bend your knees and lower your body as if sitting, ensuring the knees stay aligned with the toes. Briefly touch the chair before standing back up. Repeat for a safe, effective workout. Choose a sturdy, non-slip chair for performing chair squats safely. A firm chair with a stable surface ensures balance and prevents tipping. If needed, opt for a chair with armrests for extra support. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart, ensuring proper alignment with toes facing forward or slightly outward. Engage your core muscles by tightening your abdomen to maintain stability and protect your lower back. As you lower your body, push your hips back as if sitting, keeping your chest lifted and your back straight. Focus on keeping your weight in your heels, not your toes, for better control. Slowly lower yourself, stopping just before sitting, or lightly touch the chair if you are a beginner. Press through your heels to return to a standing position, fully extending your legs. Perform chair squats effectively by relying on your legs and glutes for power, not your back. Begin with 10 to 15 repetitions, completing 2 to 3 sets, and gradually increase reps as your strength improves. Use support if needed. Place a sturdy chair, wall, or resistance band nearby for added balance. Always warm up with light walking or stretches to prepare your muscles. Prioritize proper form, ensuring slow, controlled movements. It's better to perform fewer reps with correct technique than risk injury with poor form. Progress gradually, increasing reps, sets, or even performing squats without touching the chair as confidence grows. Wear supportive, non-slip footwear to maintain stability and avoid accidents. These tips help maximize the benefits of chair squats while ensuring safety and effectiveness for seniors. To avoid overexertion, stop chair squats immediately if you feel pain beyond normal muscle fatigue, and consult a doctor or physical therapist if necessary. Rest between sets to recover, focusing on deep breathing and light stretching. For seniors, aim to perform chair squats 2 to 3 times per week initially, increasing to 4 to 5 times weekly as strength improves. Combine this with walking, stretching, and balance exercises for a well-rounded routine. Once comfortable with a basic chair squat, try variations like adding light weights, pausing mid-squat, or performing single-leg squats to challenge your muscles and enhance your progress. Single-leg chair squats are a fantastic way to challenge balance and build strength. Add heel raises to activate your calves and improve ankle stability. To increase intensity, incorporate resistance bands around your thighs, targeting the hip abductors. As you gain strength, try deep chair squats to engage your glutes and thighs further, while maintaining proper form. Chair squats are a low-impact, functional exercise, essential for seniors, promoting strength, balance, and mobility. Consistency is key. Gradually progress while prioritizing safety and listening to your body. With regular practice, seniors can enjoy improved independence, reduced fall risk, and a better quality of life. By the way, friends, see you soon for more interesting facts about human health.